Okay, guys, there are something that is happening in the crypto space lately, and some people lost money, some people are frightened, some people are scared. While people like us, we are happy that things like this happens. A lot of people that are complaining about the dump is actually people who are not well inclined to the financial system or technical analysis. You don't expect a market that is this far stretched not to decline. It is not possible. In the law of Elliott wave, after some series of waves to a particular direction, there are bound to be a retracement to the opposite direction before the continuation of another trend. So just look at this thing that happened here. This is the H4, that's the 4 hours chart. So after this market formed this shape and it broke to the upside, what happened? It consolidated, then came down a bit, went up, then retraced back before this push again. So this might actually break this level here and continue going down, but that doesn't make it a downtrend entirely. It might just push up to this level, get some liquidity around this area. I'm talking about Bitcoin right now. It can get some liquidity around 119,000 and then dump again. And this time around it might break the 100,000 level. Yeah, it might get to this zone before pushing again. That is, if we go higher to the daily time frame, we'll understand the market structure better. But the thing that happened is actually a normal thing in the market. As you can see, this trend line has been broken already. Okay, let's say this one is higher than this one. Okay, put it to this place. So let's see what happens. It's either the entire trend breaks totally to this level, or market is actually going to rebound. So what I'm saying in essence is the thing that happened here is actually normal. That is why risk management is in place. When you're trading anything leverage market, you should always make sure that you don't risk something that you're not willing to lose. Some people are complaining of losing millions of dollars. You don't do such thing in financial markets. You risk something you know that when things go south, you'll be able to manage your odds. That is why opportunity comes with risk. Without risk, you're not going to get opportunities. If you're able to make a lot of money from this market, just be rest assured that you're also going to be burned one day in the market. So what is our forecast for BTC now? What is our forecast? Let's go to the daily time frame. Retracement, impulse. So I only hope this BTC has run into a range. That is the only thing that makes sense right now. A range between 108,000, 109,000 to the all-time high, which is 125,000. So the only thing that makes sense is these two levels. If market is going to continue with these two levels until it breaks and start going up again, right? So these two levels, I want market to keep respecting it for the time being, right? But if anything should make this market to breach this level, then we are certainly going to this level, which is below 100k, around 96k, 95k. That is my forecast. I am not 100% certain. Anything can happen in this market. So what we are looking for is a big break of this trend line, which is also a horizontal line, and a push to the downside. If you see confirmation, we'll enter, right? for me, I think this market is just going to rebound at 119 and start going back and start declining back. That is what I think. But in a case any of those doesn't happen, we are not going to take any position for now unless we confirm in our lower time frame. Then of course I'm going to come here and update you. All right, so that is what I think about the whole Bitcoin thing. See you in the next video. Peace.